Hello everyone, JRDL96 here with a brand new unboxing, and as you can tell by the title, it's pretty it's big in terms of the technology. The Apple Watch Series 4. Now before I begin, the last time I did an unboxing on the Apple Watch was on the very first Apple Watch series, Series 1, as people would call it now. But back then, it was just called Apple Watch Sport, and Apple Watch Edition. Apple Watch Edition was just 18 grand, while this was the cheapest model. I've had this for the last 3.5 years. So I felt I was overdue for a new watch. This was the 42mm size. Now they don't have that size anymore. Now they just have 40 or 44mm. I got the 44mm, and I looked at it before even getting it, and there's no... it's just barely a big difference. It's just like maybe a half inch or maybe 0.2 inches bigger compared to the old model. So I got the 44mm space gray aluminum case Series 4 Apple Watch, and man, I'm getting ready for this. So let's get right into it. They have this little tab here. You just pull down. Barely. So get the packaging off right now. Alright. What do we got here? Oh, these little tabs on the bottom of the box. I guess to keep it down, or? I don't know. What is this? Oh, okay. Now this is weird. This is not how the Apple Watch original box did it. The original Apple Watch box packaging was just this, and you lift like the little, like you lift it up, and that was it. But now it's like different packaging. Oh, look at this. This is bizarre. I'm honestly surprised. Now, we got this, it would be in like a box like this. That's what the Apple Watch would be in. A box like that size, around that size. If you just combine these two into one box, this is what it would be. I guess they changed it up now, and before we open it, you can see it's just a watch. And the band. Really nice. So, let's open this. You do it like this. Voila! Oh, look at this. What do we got here? Okay, we got all the gritty, the neat stuff here, all the instructions and health and safety regulations and shit for the watch, and how environmentally free it could be and stuff. You got the power cube, and you got the magnetic charger. Might not need it because I already have one. And we got the watch itself. Just the watch itself. Which is covered with this weird, like rough texture thing, like this soft, like rug-like texture. Oh wow, the thing is a lot different on the back. I guess they improved the technology on there. It's 30% bigger. So here's the back, what it looks like. Now, if you want to compare it to the original Apple Watch, I'm going to do a lot of this. This was the original back. That's a huge difference compared to what they have now, and I'm honestly curious on what's on the back now. Alrighty. That's that on the watch. I put it on wrong. I remember when I did the unboxing, I did put it on wrong. So, it's the black band, and it shows you the instructions. It includes like a a medium large size band and a small medium band, and I'm just gonna go with the small medium band because that's what I usually use. But my question is, will this work? What will the 42 millimeter bands work with the 44 millimeter watch? That's my question. It will go on the top like this, like so. I'm just gonna make sure you guys can see what I'm trying to do horribly. And you heard a little click. It clicks into place. And now the bottom. Oh, I pressed the button. I guess it's gonna turn on now. Yep, it did. Well, I'm supposed to do this later. And as you can tell, now it's on because I just pressed the oval shaped button on the right, on the bottom, and the pretty much the same like design, but overall improved features. Now the thing is, this watch is swim proof. The original Apple Watch was not swim proof or waterproof. Now this one is swim proof. I remember on the website when they released this one, it said submerging into water is not highly recommended. Just that sentence alone made me laugh. But luckily now it's telling me to pair an iPhone with an Apple Watch, blah blah blah. First I need to unpair my old Apple Watch. Bring an Apple Watch nearby. I guess. Apple Watch. You found one. Continue. Now I gotta align the Apple Watch into the camera. Like so. Your Apple Watch is paired. Restored. Oh, okay. Restore from backup? Okay, I had to cut out there because I thought it may take a while for it to sync and everything, but I just got the notification that it's done, and voila! There he is, Woody! That's my watch face. That's been my watch face since Thanksgiving. Now let me just put on my watch. Oh! Right this time. So here we go. That is whenever you go underwater. It's like it's a little like mechanism that will occur if you press the water drop button, and then you have to turn your digital crown all the way. It does that. The second I stopped filming,
it's 2:43.
You fucking kidding me? You fucking mouse, Mickey? You fucking stay silent this whole fucking time, don't want to fucking speak, and then the second I stop recording, you decide, oh, I think it's time for me to say the time. You fucking mouse.
It's 2:43.
Come on, dude. But anyways, I forgot to do a comparison between the two watches. So, the one on your left is the 42mm Sport. The one on your right is the 44mm Series 4. Not that much of a size difference, it's just more, this watch is more rounded on the edges. It's more wider compared to the watch's first model, which is more of like a weirder, like it was more skinny. It's more skinnier on this side, these sides, while this one's a little bit wider on these sides. So
it's 2:44.
Good comparison. But Minnie, are you gonna be talking too?
It's
Good. But that is officially it on the unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 4 44mm Sport Band. Now, it may get hard to get used to, but I'm honestly looking forward to be using this watch, hopefully. Hopefully it's not a defect battery or anything, because the battery is kind of going down a little bit. But, I don't know. Maybe if I don't use it too much, then it'll be fine. I don't have it, like, all I have to do is tap it, and then that's it. So, that's really all I have to say. But, overall, that is officially it on today's unboxing of the Apple Watch. So I hope you guys enjoyed this clusterfuck of unboxing. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe, share this video with your friends. Be sure to ring that bell to be part of the notification squad. Be sure to also check out my Instagram because I make collabs with Markiplier, Jacksepticeye, even myself. I also do reenactments and cosplays on there, so go check it out. Be sure to also check out my Tumblrs in the description as well. So until next time, JRD96 signing out, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace! Still here, I see. Very good. You passed the test. Now let's move on to the next phase.